Hello there, hope you're having a great day so far. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I cover one chapter of the Bible every single day, and today we are looking at Judges chapter 20. So if you haven't already had a chance to read through that chapter, go ahead and do so now. So in today's chapter, we see that the Israelites decide that they want to join forces and become united. They want to become one strong front. They were going to attack the tribe of Benjamin based on the situation we read about in the previous chapter. It was a rather disturbing situation where a concubine was raped. And I'm not going to go into all those details here, but go back and watch the previous video and read the previous chapter and you can see those. And the Israelites are kind of outraged about this happening, so they decide they're going to attack the tribe of Benjamin. They do seek God's advice about which tribe should go first to attack the people of Benjamin, and the Lord tells them that the tribe of Judah should go first. Now, as we read through today's chapter, we see that this is not really an easy battle for the Israelites to win. They are defeated in certain areas, but ultimately they do conquer and win. The footnote I want to share with you today comes from verses 46 through 48, and it says, "The effects of the horrible rape and murder should never have been felt outside of the community where the crime had occurred. The local people should have brought the criminals to justice and corrected the laxness that originally permitted the crime. Instead, first the town and then the entire tribe defended the wickedness, even going to war over it. Many lives were lost unnecessarily. If the crime had been dealt with swiftly and decisively, this disaster could have been averted. To prevent your unresolved problems from turning into major conflicts, take action quickly, wisely, and forcefully before the situation gets out of hand." Thank you so much for watching today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you next time.